This is a short video on how to use images and icons to enhance your course page. So I've got a scenario here where you've got a course page which might have a worksheet or a PDF that students need to use, and then they have an assignment associated to that PDF or worksheet. And they're two separate links on the course page, which can turn out to become quite a long scroll of files and links and that kind of stuff. What I'm suggesting is that instead of doing them as two separate tasks, we put them together into one. And I'm just going to quickly show you the process of doing that here. So I go to the assignment and you can see there's not much information here. And what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to go ahead, instead of leaving no information there, I'm just going to go and type PDF in Google. I'm going to go to the images and grab any one of these images that you like. If this is the one you want, you can save that image. I'm going to put it on my desktop as a PDF symbol. So I've gone and grabbed a logo or an icon I would like to use as a PDF. In Moodle, I'll just turn my editing on, and then I can submit your work. Here is what I was going to say to the students, but I might now incorporate my actual image or logo here too. So give instructions. Firstly, read the task, and then underneath, instead of just saying link here, I'm just going to use an image. And in Moodle again, you can click on this by using the image. I'm going to upload this image. I'm going to choose a file, and I'm going to go and find that PDF logo that I've downloaded onto into my LMS. I'm just going to make it pretty small so it's not obtrusive. And there it is. What I'm going to do now though is, because that's just an image, I'm going to link this to whatever file I had in my system before. So by clicking on that image, I can click link. I can go and choose a file. I'm going to find that PDF that I used before. I'm going to insert it and submit your work here. And what you'll see now is that what I've done is amalgamated that assignment into one activity with a PDF that's linkable over here, so that students no longer need to have the external task. So I can actually remove this. I can delete this altogether and turn it off, and what you'll see is you've got an example assignment ready to go. The students come straight here, can get to the task and submit their work there as well. What you can use on top of this is you can use Word as a really good one to create another set of icons if you want to go further with the whole icons. For instance, if you had a task that was related to science, you can go to images, you can grab a science image, you can put the science image into Word. I'm just going to save this image. I'm going to call it science. And I'm going to go back to Word. I'm going to insert this image from my desktop. There it is. And Word has some cool little funky features once you've added that image in, which enable you to do all kinds of rounded boxes and shades and interesting stuff. So I'm just going to use this rounded box. I'm going to make it a nice square so it looks good. And there we go, I've got a nice little icon. I'm going to use a snipping tool again. You can use print screen or any other snipping tool, but I'm just going to use Snagit, which is a snipping tool that I grab. And I use that image, and I'm going to save that as, I'm going to call it science icon. And going back to my LMS, I now have the ability, if I turn editing on, I might, for instance, add in this as an icon, which is a link to some other task or some other activity in my LMS. So I'm going to go back to science icon, open, upload, and insert it. I might just resize it and center it, and save and display. So what you'll start seeing is you can start creating some very clean, nice looking icons, logos and downloadable links and that kind of stuff using very simple tools in your LMS.